In this video, we are going to review the plankton features available from SiriusXM Marine. To access these features, you'll need to install a Raymarine SR200 with a compatible Axiom MFD. Once installed, you'll need to call SiriusXM Marine at 855-869-5480 and ask for the fish mapping package. You'll also need to ensure that your MFD has the most current software from Raymarine. Please visit the Raymarine Support Center for software update information. Once these steps are completed, from your Raymarine MFD home screen, you can select Chart. On the next screen, tap the menu icon at the top of the chart screen. From the list on the right, select Mode, and then Fish Mapping. Fish mapping should now be shown as the mode when the chart menu is selected. Now, in the fish mapping menu, note the following: fishing recommendations, fish mapping layers, show legend. We recommend that you keep this on while you familiarize yourself with all the features, and the gear wheel symbol, which represents settings. Next, select the Settings button and then the Fish Mapping tab at the top. This subscription page allows you to see the time and date information about when each data layer was updated and received. If no timestamp is present, the data has not downloaded. You should leave the system on and check again in a few minutes. Once the times are present, you can return to the Fish Mapping menu. Next, select the Fish Mapping Layers button. You should now see several categories. Select Plankton Contours. Press X to view the plankton concentration contours on the full screen. This feature shows areas of plankton concentrations. This information is updated every 24 hours. Plankton, including phytoplankton and zooplankton, are the first links in the oceanic food chain. They are the primary food source for most bait fish, which themselves are the food source for game fish. Plankton contours are shown as a green contour line. The number found along the lines denotes the concentration of plankton in the water in a given area, measured in milligrams per cubic meter. You'll notice as the concentration increases, the lines change from light green to dark green. This helps to more easily identify plankton-rich areas at a glance. For the next feature, press Menu again, then Fish Mapping Layers, then Plankton Front. Press X to view plankton fronts on the full screen. With this feature, you can locate where there are areas of greatest plankton concentrations adjacent to areas where there is relatively little or no plankton. This information is also updated every 24 hours. Plankton front strengths show areas where nutrient-rich water, favorable for bait fish, occur next to clearer water that is preferred for game fish. Plankton fronts are shown as a green line with numbers ranging from 2 to 4. A number 2 plankton front is classified as being a moderate front, 3 a strong front, and 4 being a very strong front. Strong and very strong plankton fronts indicate areas where game fish feeding activity is more likely to occur. Ideally, you're looking for 3s and 4s that show strong and very strong fronts. If you look at the legend, you will also notice that the areas with the weakest fronts are shaded in light green, and the areas with the strongest fronts are shaded in darker green. A good tip to remember is that the likelihood of locating game fish will ultimately increase by using several features in combination. In this particular case, we are looking at the area where strong plankton fronts coincide with strong temperature fronts. For additional information and resources, please visit our fish mapping website at SiriusXM.com/fishmapping. For videos specific to your marine display, please visit our marine video library at SiriusXM.com/marine library. Please also stay in touch by joining our social media sites. We encourage all of our SiriusXM Marine subscribers to share your comments, including your success stories, or if you need support, reach out via email to marine.support@SiriusXM.com. Thank you.